Hello, and today I will show you how to make a secret entrance or some ghost blocks that you can walk through. Here I have made a little house, or at least it's a beginning of a house, a red house. And if I walk through the middle here, it looks like this. If I will look outside here, I can't see anything. But if we go from this side, we can't see the door at all. If I go here, can't. If in the I go right in the middle where these signs are, we can go there. And how I just do this, I will show you. So I will make a wall like this. I will make it like this. And we will make a sign here in the middle where we want the entrance to be. Or we can do like, yeah, we'd make it in the middle. Like this. We put them here. And then we take the item frame here, and we will right click on all these blocks right here. We will click on these signs as well, so it looks like this. And then we will have to, if you do this on survival, it's maybe hard, but you can still do it. Take a map. We will take an empty map like this, where you have to right click to get a map. And I have made a big red I used a command to get red wool blocks from there to there. I will stand here in the middle and I will right click the empty map. I get a full map red everywhere. So that's how I did it. And then I will go back here. I will put this on all the item frames here, like this. And we can go through it now, like this. But if you want to make it even more cooler, we can use invisible item frames, and it will look like this. So you can stand like this, but they can't see you. It's like this wall I made here. How you do that, you will get a command that I have written down in the description. So I'll put this here. I will do it like this, and I get it here. And we will get this map again, and I will just remove this very quick. And while I remove this, you have to leave a like and subscribe. So I've put out all this now. Did I put here as well? Or no? Now I will put a map. Like this. So we can go through it, and we can watch out here and they can't see us. So this is a really cool feature. Use this command that I have written in the description. You have to use some kind of sheets, allow commands, or some kind of sheets on your server or single player to use this. Otherwise, you could just use the normal item frame that I showed earlier. So yeah, this is how you do a secret path or a secret entrance to your house, or maybe you can do different colors. I just made this red because red is one of my favorite colors. But if you want to make it look like some other block you have, if maybe your house is in white, you can do a full white like this. Or if it's in green, you can do a green. You get the idea. You can explore with this and test and experience. But I think this is very cool. I wish I knew this very early in my Minecraft career, but I didn't. I just found this, and it's one of the coolest thing I ever found. I think you can make a lot of cool bases and cool entrance with this. Hope you guys make some cool bases and some secret bases as well. Um, Leave a like on this video and have a good day. Bye.